The biggest bird alive today is the ostrich. 140 kilograms, about 2.7 meters tall. Impressive for a bird. Embarrassing for a dinosaur. Because birds are dinosaurs. Direct descendants, same lineage, same biological toolkit. The same toolkit that built Argentinosaurus. 90,000 kilograms, 35 meters long. The largest animal that ever walked the earth. So why aren't they bigger? Birds have had 66 million years since the asteroid. 66 million years of evolution. 66 million years of empty ecological space. And the best they managed is an animal you could fit in a large SUV. The answer is not what you think. And it involves a race that birds didn't even know they were running.
Birds should be able to get enormous. Their bones are hollow. Not fragile hollow, engineered hollow. Air sacs run through the skeleton like a built-in ventilation system. Same system that lets sauropods grow to the size of buildings without their own weight killing them. Every pigeon you've ever ignored is running the same respiratory system as Argentinosaurus. They lay eggs. No pregnancy. No internal size limit. A blue whale has to physically fit a calf inside her body. A bird lays a thing and walks away. Warm blood, fast metabolism, rapid growth. Birds inherited every biological trick that made dinosaurs the dominant large animals on Earth for 165 million years. The largest elephant bird ever found weighed around 800 kilograms, 3 meters tall. Survived in Madagascar until about 1,000 years ago when humans showed up and ate their eggs until there weren't any left. 800 kilograms. Argentinosaurus weighed 90,000. The toolkit is there. Something else is going on. 66 million years ago, an asteroid ended the Cretaceous. Everything large died. The world emptied. Hundreds of ecological niches suddenly vacant. Two groups moved to fill them: birds and mammals. Mammals got there first. Within a few 100,000 years, geologically, basically overnight, there were placental mammals the size of pigs. A few million years after that, cow-sized, diversifying fast, spreading into every available niche, getting bigger, getting specialized. By the time birds had accumulated enough evolutionary time to push toward giant sizes, the space was gone. Mammals had it. They'd built whole ecosystems around it. Birds didn't accept this. Every time the conditions were right, isolated continent, no large mammalian competition, empty space, they went for it. And they pulled it off. South America spent millions of years as an island. The largest mammalian predators there were roughly leopard-sized. Into that gap walked Kelenken, skull the size of a horse's head, built for speed, ruling South America for millions of years. Then the Isthmus of Panama formed. North and South America connected. Large mammalian predators crossed over. Kelenken was gone within a few million years. Giant penguins in Antarctica, demon ducks in Australia, elephant birds in Madagascar. Same pattern every time. Birds evolve into giants in isolation. Isolation ends, giant birds disappear. Every time, without exception. Birds can get big, but only when mammals aren't watching. Around 80 million years ago, before the asteroid, before any of this, birds gave up teeth. Beaks are extraordinary, versatile, precise, lightweight. Probably a big reason there are 11,000 species of birds alive today. But the largest animals that ever lived were essentially giant plant processing machines. Argentinosaurus needed to consume and break down vegetation at an almost industrial scale to fuel a 90,000 kilogram body. It could do that because it had massive, continuously replacing grinding teeth built for exactly that purpose. A beak can't do that, not at that scale. Birds gave up teeth 80 million years ago, long before any of this mattered. It helped them survive.
It also quietly closed a door they didn't know existed. The age of dinosaurs is not over. Birds are still evolving. The same processes that built terror birds and elephant birds haven't stopped. Islands still exist. Isolated ecosystems still exist. Argentinosaurus took roughly 130 million years of dinosaur evolution to produce. Birds have had 66 million years since the asteroid. They're not even halfway there. The ostrich might not be the answer. It might just be where the question currently is. Everyday things hide invisible systems. And this one has been hiding inside every bird you've ever seen. This is Stick and Seek. Stay curious. I'll see you in the next one.